Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset the password of Lloyds Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Lloyds Bank. Click on this first website over here, or you can go on log on to internet banking. Now let's click on log on the top right corner over here and choose the type of account you have got. So let's tap on personal. Now simply enter your user ID here. And since we do not know our password, we need to click on forgotten your login details. So let's tap on this. After which we get a verification email to reset the password. After which we can finally reset the password of Lloyds Bank online banking. After resetting the password, we need to log in again, entering our new password, after which we can get into Lloyds Bank online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.